Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Nissan GT-R R35 Liberty Walk. This is the latest model that has been released by Solido at the 180 scale. You can see in the background two previous models. We have the purple one and the yellow one. I have to say, I like this model as well. The graphics on it are very interesting. Let's start in the front. We have some parts here in carbon fiber texture. Also have the headlights, which look pretty good, but have small defects on the mounting points. Also we have Liberty Walk performance written there. We have the intercooler. We have the splitter here in the front. Also we have the GT-R logo there as well. You can see also on the graphics on the bonnet, which look pretty good. Next we have the wheels. Again, pretty nice for a base model. We have red on the inside of the rim and the gray on the interior on the center of the wheel. Also we have the brake upper and brake disc as well. Also we have some writing on the rim itself and also on the tire. We have some more details here, some more carbon fiber texture, also the graphics that mimic the interior of the model. In the back, the wheels are also pretty big, as you can see. We have the wing, which can be detached fairly easy. I'll put that on the side, just not to break it. Also we have the exhaust, which looks pretty good, especially with the blue there. Also we have the stop lights, again looking pretty good, and a Nissan logo as well. Underneath the model, not that many details. As you can see, we have the exhaust system, and that's about it. Let's open the door to check out the interior. There we go. On the passenger side, not that many details, of course, but we have the center console, which can be seen better on the driver's side because it's oriented to the driver. Also we have the bucket seats, and as you can see, the interior looks pretty decent. We have a lot of details on the dash and also on the steering wheel. Tell me in the comments, what model do you think it's the best from the Liberty models? I think the yellow looks pretty good. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.